High-efficiency shower heads reduce water use without sacrificing shower quality, and ultimately save you money on your water and energy bills. Replacing a shower head is easy. After you choose the shower head that's right for you, you'll need to make sure you have Teflon tape, an old toothbrush, a small towel, and an adjustable wrench to get started. Begin by unscrewing the old shower head from the shower head arm by turning it counterclockwise. Now, using an old toothbrush and small towel, thoroughly clean and dry the threaded area of the shower head arm. Your shower head is universal and made to work with both internal and external shower head arm threads. If your shower head has internal threads, place the two washers that are included in your shower head inside the shower head connector. Now, using the adjustable wrench, screw your new shower head to the arm by turning it clockwise until snug. If you notice leaks after turning on the water, add Teflon tape to the threads of the shower head arm. As easy as that, you're ready to start saving water and energy with your new high-efficiency shower head.